Hello there, welcome to Waste Garage. This is Barcelona airport, Prat, and I'm out traveling again, as you can understand. Last time it was London Heathrow. London Heathrow was just full of electric cars, at least in relative terms. But here's just, yeah, there's a Polestar over there, I think. But one Tesla. But believe it or not, that's going to be the car to use here. Yeah, car looks fine. And well, all wheels are scratched.
Ahora, ¿quieres hacer una reforma? ¿Cambiar de coche? ¿Tus hijos ya necesitan un ordenador para cada uno? ¿O qué pasa?
Right, so I made it to the first stint. I didn't want to stand there at Hertz and talk about the car. It was noisy as hell and, you know, poor light. But here I am in a little harbor not so far away from Barcelona, and I found this charging spot, but I'm inside a paid parking area. So, and also to get energy from this thing you need to be registering, of course, and you know, you always have to be a bit prepared. And by the way, plug A, driver error. Then the other one, plug B. Okay, so, and 1 out of 2 works. Now the car as such, yeah, maybe you've seen the Polestar video that I did in London. The Polestar is of course a much more normal car, if I may say so. The Tesla has its kind of quirkiness, or is a bit different in many ways. So, well, maybe I should give you a little crash course in how to use this Tesla. You don't even get a key. If it would have been your private car, you would have had kind of a digital key in your phone, but now you get this little swiping card. So just to get into the car, yeah, swipe. No, well, now it's unlocked, but okay, anyway. To lock the car, yeah, then you do that. And to unlock it, that's the way you do it. And then the funny door handle. Just to get out of the car puzzles a few, but there's an electric switch there and a mechanical emergency switch there. So, you know, why should they do things easy? Yeah, and then phone charging is easy. Driving away is not that easy if you've never done it before. You have to swipe the card, of course. Here, just in front of this armrest. Maybe I need to, yeah, you need to push the brake, of course, and then you do that. And then it can just stay here, but if you've been standing for a while, then you have to re-swipe it. A bit weird. Now, driving, yeah, sure. It's like an American car in a way. You do like that, or well, some cars have it over in other areas also now. But let's see. The thing that has been annoying me the most so far is that the turn signal indicator, or this stalk, seems to be a bit uncalibrated. It doesn't really work as it should, so to speak. Sometimes you can get it kind of locked and you have to turn the wheel even though you haven't gone that far with the stalk, so it's a bit so. Navigation is in a way dead easy, but it's slightly off in you know, it's a bit difficult to find the way sometimes, or understand exactly what it wants to do. Now if this is interesting also. To find the supercharger might be of interest when you're driving around in a Tesla, and as you could see, you have to just tap it. These things you just have to know. It's a bit weird. You have to tap there, and then you can find chargers, and these are kind of, yeah, exactly, nearby charging. Where do I find a here, supercharger? So There's one in kind of downtown and one a bit around the... Oh yeah, okay, yeah, you can even see it on the map, of course. So there seems to be three free stalls at the supercharger in Barcelona right now, but it's an early morning. There are 10 up at the AP7 that goes up to France. But I will come back to that and I will show you how to charge. I'll go there at some point in time. Alright, so then, yeah, sound you have there, on and off radio, you know, and stations, okay. Controls, yeah, when I picked up the car it was in French, so where do I find English? Doesn't say kind of language or something like that. Steering, no settings really, but under display, yeah, here you have some different things to set. Hour format, energy, well, you know, you can play around it quite a bit. And there was lots of mails coming in the days before or the week before picking up the car, because yeah, things are a bit different. But well, that's kind of the basics. Let's go for a little drive. And here we are entering the hotel garage, and well, a Polestar, and let's see, same color, same model, everything, maybe different wheels, but here's a Model 3 and it's Norwegian license plate, so they've driven all the way from Norway down here to Barcelona. Interesting. Nice travel, I hope they had. Yep, there they are. Two dark grey metallic Tesla Model 3s, dual motor, long range something, I would say. So if you want to capture all the bikes that comes and drive by you in Barcelona, then turn on the rear view looking camera. Then you get some extra assistance. Here comes another one. Is it really in the climate? Is it in park? Yeah, it's in park. So why? Aha! It has less than 20% of energy, you see? It's only 14. So then the camp and keep and dog and everything, those things are not available, but schedule seems to be available. So a Spanish lunch, 12, it will at least take 1.5 hours. So what would that be? 1, 2, 30. No, come on. Schedule set. So now the car should be cool and nice when we come back after lunch. Fine, perfect. So that was the lunch. Let's see. And since I'm in Spain, then after lunch you take a siesta, right? So what car would be better to take a siesta in than a Tesla? Because here you just fold down the rear seat. There's some stuff in the trunk, but still I can like this. Then I put the climate control in camping mode and I close the door, and then I take a little Spanish siesta. So we're down at 13%, so To find a charger, I think we've already set one, but I'll show. You tap first to get this thing to be shown, then you tap that one, then you get lots of different chargers around. These are not so quick. 50 kilowatt, 50 kilowatt. Here we have 150 kilowatt, and then that's a supercharger, so that's the one we're going for. And it's set to be, it's somewhere out of Sabadell, which is not so far away from Barcelona, should be around here. So we're going there. Yeah, let's go.
Now your destination is on the left.
So this was a bit weird. Really off in a way, but here are a lot of superchargers. Okay, good. Let's see how this goes. Be the CCS, this one. So let's see here. It's starting to charge. It's not that much power that goes in right now, but let's see. And where's the threshold? Charge limit. How does this work? 90. Okay, so if one keeps it at 100, then there's no big risk of getting kind of parking fee charge. So there is a restaurant over there, but open between 9 and 5. Well, so it's a bit weird location this. Now let's see here. 57% charging with a bit less than 100 kilowatts. So well, it's working, but yeah, not super quick. It's a pity that they don't have proper charging at the hotel and at normal gas station also. When we were eating lunch, for instance, then there was a Shell station there but nearby, but no charger. So this is the way it is. So we've been here some 40 minutes or something, and 82%. Well, and it's not charging very quick, I would think. Yeah, down to 39 kilowatts. We'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll go. So let's see, I don't know, we're a bit bored. Is there something to do here? I don't know where the funny stuff are. Where's that? I'm a bit lost in this Model 3. What's that? Ah yeah, here we go. Yeah, sure. If you close the door, it's a bit noisy. Yeah. So, play a game. I don't know. So, then what's happening now? One player. I don't know. I have no idea about this. Continue. I never tried it. Chill. Okay. Can't change the volume. So what's going on now? Alright, there we go. Oops. I'm kind of lost here, I think. I need to practice quite a bit. Anyway, this is way too... Wow. So you spend the time if you have nothing better to do. I'm lost. Alright. Bye-bye. Alright, so we're at 90. Stop charging. Unlock. Here we go. Ready to go? Yeah, look what I found here. Let's take a look. It's a little 220 socket something, and sometimes on the earlier Teslas you've had to be sure that you do it the right way, because in the US this matters, or somehow how this thing works, but this one kind of charges up. So down in the hotel garage, charging for free because there is no one that knows that we do this. I saw another guy doing the same over there. So yeah, let's see. But it's going to charge really slow, I think. Let's look here, and I even set it down here so I don't blow the fuse of the hotel. I set it down to 9 amps. But the charging time, 16 hours remaining from 66 to 90 then, because the threshold, no, charge limit is at 100, sorry. Okay, 16 hours from 66 to 100. Not too bad. Okay, good. Yeah, easy to forget this thing. And then swipe down there. Right, so have I enjoyed these days with the Tesla Model 3? Oh yes, I must say so, and it's kind of time to hand it back now to Hertz. The Hertz, well, they're a bit weird in some way. The car, when I received it, it was charged to like 63%, even worse than Heathrow. Heathrow, the Polestar was at 75, here this one is at 63. So I had to go back and ask, how do you want me to return the car? Now it's just 63, and you know, it's a bit inconvenient. They said, if you hand it back with 15% less than what you had when you picked it up, we will not charge you anything. Okay, and more? Well, then we will charge you a full charge. How much is that? We don't know. So I expect maybe 50 euro, maybe even more. Then I would say that yes, if you want to rent a Tesla down in Barcelona, then go for it. It's kind of fun, for sure. I've enjoyed it a lot, so yeah.
Now take exit 54 on the right.
All this luggage fitted, so that's all for today, and all from Boys Garage. Take care, bye bye.